Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys? Here we have a 2003 Chevy Impala. We're going to be doing some videos today. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. To check the power steering fluid, we're going to check it on the reservoir of the power steering pump. So we can remove the cap, turn it to the left, pull it out. There's a dipstick on the cap. We'll wipe it off with a rag, reinsert the cap, let it sit for a second, and pull the cap out again. Then we can check the fluid. The cold level is right there. The hot level is up here. So our level is just slightly below the cold. This vehicle is cold right now, so we could top it off just a little bit. And to put the cap back on, just line it up and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.